Here's Annalise. Hi, honey. Hi, Annalise. She's in practicing sitting. Are you sitting like a big girl? Here you are. So what's in my reach? How about we bring something? Look at that. Ooh. Here we go. Uh-oh. And back up. And over we go. Ooh, is that your strawberry? Yum. Yum, your strawberry. Ooh. Are you coming to see Mama? Hi, honey. Oh. You try to play it. She's like, can I stand up? Can I stand up on this? It's not high enough to stand up on. You can hear the dogs in the background. There they go. Oh, she's trying to pull herself up. Are you trying to pull yourself up to standing? Oh, can you get your legs under you? Mama's leg isn't very steady, is it?